turn. We can push them in. Push them out.
He's gonna go in. He's gonna go in. Double lift. Look at double lift. Got it.
Double lift.
Double lift.
Good job. Look at Syrup. We can chase. Link Syrup. Link Syrup.
Go. Link.
Bombs away, mateys.
That was nice. Oh my gosh, again, West Rice is just on full initiation mode. Sneaky doesn't even get a chance to breathe along with Lemon Nation.
Turtle shell.
Oh.
But you should cha.
Bear number 2 start for Curse. Bear number 2 not killed for.
Oh! What a great combination. They're going to be cleaning this one up. Altec with a few more kills. A triple kill to end out the game at 7-0-4 on his first Jinx play in the North American LCS. The last shot, he gets double lift on the 5. Going for the he gets the backdoor kill!
Go over my roll.
All right, Keaty, your job is not to flash for the AD carry, please. I'm serious. Please don't do that. You're the most valuable player on the team.
Oh, the Culling's going to be right up front. Not actually used just yet. He holds it. Now hitting No Name. No Name splits off to the left. A 2-man shockwave, not doing all that much damage, but Ackerman comes in to disperse the fight.
Setting up here the jungle.
Holy moly. Oh, it's like a full team kick. Oh, he just got 2 there. Somebody flashed out, but Xiao obliterated immediately. This is what an 11,000 gold lead looks like.